What is Temu.com and how can you use this website for your own online business? Well, first of all, we need to back up and find out who really owns this new startup. Well, it's actually the e-commerce giant Pinduoduo launched their US site that's going to compete with Amazon. So, first of all, what in the world is Pinduoduo? If you've never heard of it, it started in about 2015 and it has rivaled sites like Alibaba. It's crazy. It's a really unique experience where when people were buying different items, if they invited someone to the platform, they could substantially get a lower price, 50% or more, if you add more people to buy with you. We did a whole episode on this with looking at My First Million a few years ago, and we'll put a link down below of making your own Pinduoduo. But now they are going into the US market and they're branding it with a new name called Temu. Now, if you're familiar with things like Wish.com, Alibaba, that's what you're going to be seeing here. But there's a couple things to note as well. Number one, the prices are ridiculously cheap. So that way you can actually, if you want to do drop shipping manually, there's opportunities for there. But also, too, you could be building your own brand with using products from Temu as well. The thing is, they're trying to really make sure that they're building trust. So they're making a push right now with all of these great prices, and they're still going to be competitive. But because it's so new, there's going to be more incentives for them going to make it cheaper for you to get involved and to buy things from them. Now, I'm going to be doing an experiment. If people want to see, let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe I'll start buying stuff and reviewing it. But this is a great opportunity. If you have any experience with drop shipping or have tried it in the past, it's a cautionary tale. I've done drop shipping during the pandemic and built a couple different brands. It is easier said than done with just creating drop shipping. But if there is a very specific niche you're in, or if you have an audience and you can be using certain products, there are definitely ways where you could break in and use drop shipping or using Temu to have this. Now, the next question becomes like, can you use drop shipping or can you integrate with other software to drop ship natively? The answer is no. Temu, you can't be doing that. Some people have tried to do this, just manually ordered a lot of things, and then they're going to be doing it manually. There's no integrations like using Alibaba Express with drop shipping at this time. But looking at the different Temu groups and what people are doing, looking at the different subreddits that are popping off, I see all of this growth with Temu in quite a few different ones. I saw 4 Temu groups blow up on Reddit in just a few days. So there's going to be more coming out with people using this platform and really building their business. If you're interested to know more about this and more trends that I see coming up, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're thinking about creating your very own business and trying to figure out how to go from idea to app or idea to online business, there's a link down below for a guide that can help you out right now. I'll see you in the next video.